name is Eddie McGarity. I'm 28 years old. So what attracted me to welding? Well, for one, it's a trade school. I know there's a lot of options and avenues that you can go with it, but there's also a creative side. It's an art form in some way, so I really like that. Do I use my experience for any creative outlets? I do. I actually have a welder at my house, so I built these little aluminum dice, and I stacked them up and ran lights through them, and I made a little lamp out of it. I'm actually really proud of it. What would I say to someone just starting off? You gotta be patient. It's not an easy trade, and to go slow. I was rushing when I first started, and things weren't coming out the way I liked it. You gotta go slow and be patient. It can be very frustrating. It was only an 8-week program, and before I was even finished, I had 3 job offers. So I was still a student in class. So when people hear that you're welding or you're in a trade, they just jump all over the opportunity. There's never enough welders or tradesmen, really.